In this lab, we have a number of tasks to complete with regards to the operating system and configuration of the network devices. In the first task, we need to back up the startup and running configurations of both the router and the switch. So on the router, I can see that the router has booted up. The router has an IP address of 10.1.1.1. The TFTP server has an IP address of 10.1.1.100. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that the router can ping the TFTP server, which it can. And now we can back up the running and startup config of the router. So copy running config TFTP. IP address of the TFTP server is 10.1.1.100. I'm going to call the configuration r1 run confg or config. That's now being backed up to the TFTP server. I'm then going to copy the startup configuration to the TFTP server. IP address is 10.1.1.100. I'm going to call this r1 startup config. That's also being backed up. So on the TFTP server, if I go to services, TFTP, I can see the running and startup config of the router. I'll do something very similar on the switch. Firstly, make sure that I have IP connectivity to the TFTP server, which I do. And then I can say copy startup config to TFTP, IP address of the TFTP server. This is switch 1 startup config. That's now being backed up. Copy run TFTP, IP address of the TFTP server, switch 1 run config. Back on the TFTP server, I'm going to click on DNS and then TFTP to refresh the TFTP directory. I can now see both the running and startup config of the router and the switch. Show flash on the router shows us the operating system in the flash of the router. We need to back up the router's operating system to the TFTP server. On the TFTP server, do we have that file backed up? So do we have C2900 Universal K9 MZ or MZ SPA 1514 M4 bin? And the answer is no. We've got a later file on the TFTP server. So I'm going to say copy flash TFTP. The source file that we want to copy is this file. IP address of the TFTP server is that. I'm going to leave the destination name as it is. And as you can see, the file has now been backed up to the TFTP server. So if I refresh the list on the TFTP server, you can see the file has been backed up to the TFTP server. On the switch, show flash. This is the file in the flash of the switch. Is that file found on the TFTP server? The answer is no, it's not. So copy flash TFTP. Source file is that. IP address of the TFTP server is that. This is a large file, so it may take a while for it to back up to the TFTP server. But as you can see, it's starting to be backed up. I'll refresh the list on the TFTP server. We can't see it in the list yet. But hopefully once that's completed, we'll be able to see the file on the TFTP server. While we're waiting for that, we need to verify that the configurations and operating systems of the devices are found on the TFTP server. There's our router's configurations, switch configurations. Here's the router operating system. And now that the TFTP copy has completed, we can see the switch configuration on the TFTP server. Again, this is the file found in the flash of the switch, and there it is on the TFTP server. So the file has successfully been copied to the TFTP server. We've now completed part 1 of the tasks.